Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Jeep Cherokee hood. First, you'll need to find the primary hood release lever inside your vehicle. This lever is usually located on the driver's side, often down by your left foot, close to the door sill. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click as the first latch releases. This action will slightly pop the hood open, allowing you to proceed to the next step. Now that the hood is slightly ajar, walk to the front of your Jeep Cherokee. You'll notice a small gap between the hood and the grille. Carefully reach your hand into this opening. You are looking for the secondary safety latch, which is typically located right in the center, just above the grille. It's designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally, so it requires a separate action. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to manipulate it. Depending on your specific model, you might push a small lever to the left or lift a tab upwards. This movement will fully disengage the final latch mechanism. With the safety latch released, you can now gently lift the hood all the way up. Be ready to support its weight as it opens. With the hood now fully open, the final step is to secure it safely in place. Look for the prop rod, which is typically a thin metal rod attached to the underside of the hood, often clipped into place. Unclip it, then lift the hood a little higher and insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole or slot in the engine bay. Make sure it's firmly seated to prevent the hood from accidentally closing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.